In South Philly, when I was growing up, people would come over. We didn't have patio furniture. My father was in the grocery business. We took out milk boxes, put a piece of paper over them so you didn't dirty your clothes, and put a rubber band around them. You sat on milk boxes. You had no one to impress. That didn't mean anything. Uh, if company was coming over, my mother would give me $1 and say, "Go over to the fruit store. Tell them to give you $1 worth of fruit." She didn't say, "Buy 2 apples, 1 orange." Uh, Tell them your mother's got company coming over. And I go over. This guy's name was well, it was Pop's fruit store. I say, "Pop, my mother said to give you $1. We need $1 worth of fruit. We have company coming." You know, and they'd come and they'd eat. And of course, my mother would make tea, show off the chinik. You made a pot of tea, and she would have made her strudel or sponge cake. And they'd sit around talking, or they would play rummy. And they had their own English language for playing rummy. A king was a kinnig, a queen was a lady, uh, I'm talking about cards. A jack was a yankel, you know. And I got such a kick out of that. And it seemed like nothing at the time, but now that I can look back, it's so much to appreciate. Today's kids don't have that. Of course, today's kids have other things. They go to camp during the summer, and they take classes in this and classes in that.